So this is Will reporting for Kia Kids News. I'm a 6-year-old kid running my own dog treat business. Come and check it out. My business is called Will's Pup Treats. I've sold 20 bags in just 6 weeks, but probably more. Being a 6-year-old owning your own business is pretty special. On step 1, we're going to add some Kūmara. On step 2, we're going to crack an egg. Step 3 is put the peanut butter in. And now we're ready to put it in the bowl. Now it's time to add some oats and some flour. This is the bit where I put all of the mix on the table. Now we get the roller. The best thing about my business is when I get tired, my mum can help me out. Thanks, Mum.
You're welcome.
And now it's time for the cookie cutters. Now I'm gonna add the Willa Special pumpkin seeds. And the last step is putting them in the oven. Let's see what Donut and Mia think of Willa's Pup Treats. Donnie, sit. Sit, boy. Sit. Good job. Sit. Good job. Stay. 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 Go. I write my own little tag so people know it's Willa's Pup Treats. I put 10 treats in every bag and sell them for $5. I also like to add stickers on because it makes it look better. Dog stickers, of course. Now it's time to sell them at the beach.
Can I get some dog treats?
Sure. Which one?
This one looks good.
Okay.
How much will it be?
$5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. Which two do you want?
A pink one for Mia and a red one for Donnie.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. My plan is to, next time, is going to sell to cats, and then the next time, and then I'm going to do giraffes, and then armadillos, and then monkeys, then elephants. This has been Will reporting for Kia Kids News. Thanks to New Zealand On Air.